On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a chicken. You can make it in buttermilk or a coconut milk. And we're also going to use cornmeal. We have some spices that we'll be using. Of course, also some green beans for a side dish. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hey Barb, what's the question of the day?
Do you like chicken? If you like chicken, click the thumbs up.
The first step in the process is to use a Ziploc bag, and then whatever milk that you want to use. So today I'm using a coconut milk. Now buttermilk would be really good with this too, but it's a pretty simple recipe. So I have a couple of chicken breasts here that I thawed out, and I'm just going to put them in this bag like this. Roll them around. Now you can make these instantly if you want, or you can throw them in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. So if you just do that earlier in the day, that'd be a fantastic thing. The chicken has been in the refrigerator. Pull it out. They should be all nice and mixed by now. There we go. And then we have some cornmeal. There's actually not a measurement on this. Just put some cornmeal out. Then let's put some pepperrika in here, and we can stir that up. Let's also go ahead and put our salt and pepper in here too. And I'm using black pepper. If you want, you could use red crushed pepper. You could use cayon if you want some cayon pepper. If you're like my son, you could use some curry if you want. There's different flavors that you can do. You need a little bit of salt with this. Chicken needs a little bit of salt. Okay, mix it up. Pretty simple. Mix it right up like that. Grab your tongs, your chicken. Get right here in your mix. Make sure you get as much on there as you can. This on the grates. I have the oven preheating to like 425. You want to get the oven nice and hot. Just like this. We'll throw it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'll check it halfway through with a digital thermometer. I'm going to be looking for 160 degrees. When your chicken is almost done, go ahead and put your green beans in your pan, also some butter, and then go ahead and get it on and get it going. The beans are boiling, they look pretty good. We could probably turn these off and just let them cruise the rest of the way. Alright, let's pull out the chicken. They are really, really, really hot. Wow. Okay, there's 166 right away. So, that's good. Chicken's all set. Let's grab a plate. And a spoon for the beans. just like this. Grab one of the chickens. Get it out, it's hot. There we go. Well, folks, if you like watching recipes like this and you want to cook along, I have all the instructions down there where you hit the subscribe button and the more button. And if you want to see more shows like this, here's a whole bunch more just like this.